This week's portion is really a double portion. Two portions, Tazria and Metzora, are combined this week. And these two portions pose a problem, seemingly, for the modern reader. The portions describe things that go wrong with our body, and such as unusual things flowing or unusual rashes on our skin, and provide a spiritual remedy for that, to bring a sacrifice, to be isolated from the community for about a week, and then to bring a sacrifice to become pure once again and to become part of the community. The rabbis had a problem with this portion, trying to understand in a time when sacrifices could no longer be brought because the temple was destroyed, how to find a modern spiritual meaning for them. And they understood it in a context of gossip. That Metzora stands for motzi shem ra, gossiping, speaking ill of someone else, because later in the Torah, Miriam and Aaron were doing that about Moses' wife, and Miriam was stricken with such a skin ailment as is described this morning. I'd rather see it, instead of the rabbis, as a punishment for gossip. I'd rather see these two portions as a reflection of a 3,000-year tradition of trying to respond to the mystery of life. No matter how advanced we are medically, there are still things that we don't understand about how our body works. And though in modern times we certainly wouldn't isolate someone from the community, we certainly wouldn't prescribe sacrifice in order to be cured from such an ailment, we still, though, in a broader sense, try to seek ways in which we can solve the mysteries of our body. And so the Torah is trying to help us understand that life is mysterious, but there are people in the community to whom we can go, religious figures, those who provide counseling, that can provide us with the support we need to help us feel part of the community, to help us feel whole once again. Let us see these Torah portions as the response to the mystery of life, and let us continue to try to, when we deal with such mysteries ourselves, let us not feel isolated. Let us try to become part of the community again. Shabbat Shalom.